today's video, we're going to learn how to use new Figma feature slots in your email design in Figma, and how to build emails in Figma with Figma slots, and how to export them as HTML email templates for Figma. To start, I would recommend to find in the Figma community the markup plugin, duplicate some ready-made email templates. So let's duplicate one of them. Here are the 3 email templates, and each template has some components. And to use slots, first let's create a component set for each type of component. So it's going to be components for banner, for text blocks, for product grid, and for banner. So I will show how to create component set from the banner. Duplicate 3 different type of banners. It's going to be a component. To create a component set, select all 3 frames, then go to the right sidebar, click create component set. Now your component set, let's rename it to banner. Add a name to each item. With the component set, you can easily switch between different components on the right sidebar here. So let's create a component set from each item here. Okay, we have created component sets for each type of component, and now let's create our parent frame with a slot, and I'll show how to use them. So first let's create a new frame with 600 width. Let's call it email template. Add auto layout, remove default Figma paddings, set to 0, transform it to a component by clicking on this icon. Now we have the component, and to add slots here, you have to create one additional frame inside. To do so, create a new frame, put it inside, set vertical alignment for this frame, set fill container and hug content for width and height. And now to make it slot, simply navigate to the right sidebar and click on the convert to slot icon. Now it's a slot, and the next step is to add our component sets to this slot. To do so, click on this adjust icon, then click on the plus icon here and select your component sets. Now, as you can see, this slot has some available options. And now you can build any email template. So let's duplicate this frame, click on plus icon, and let's select, let's say, top banner, and set fill container, remove also spacing from the slot, and now let's build email from this slot. Let's add another component side that will be call to action block. Click on the slot, then click on plus, and let's add text. Icon block, and let's say footer. Let's adjust a background color of the slot. And now you have an email template built with your component. And what the cool feature about slots, they can simply change the order of the component. So let's say you want to change it. And you can do it simply with arrows. You can even duplicate the block, Command D, and transform it to, let's say, product grid, and put it on the top. And this is how components work. And now if you made any changes into original component, all changes will be applied to all nested children. So with this, you can build email template this way, and now it's easier to build reusable blocks and make all your email design system consistent. So, and with the MarkEmail Junior Figma plugin, you can export any of this template as HTML template. So to do so, click on the parent component, click on the preview button. Now you can see that mobile version works perfectly. And here you can export this HTML file or send test email or even connect to the Klaviyo or any other marketing platform.